Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. In 2023, Zontes launched the 125 and 150 cruiser bike. Now in 2025 a new cruiser is born. Looks can be deceiving, as the bike has been thoroughly upgraded, engine-wise and body-wise, so let's dive into what Zontes has said in their promo. The newly designed engine has a compression ratio of 12.5 to 1. Turn the throttle and accelerate violently. The power output of 14 kilowatts and 16 Nm with low fuel consumption will conquer your soul and arouse your passion gene in the thrill of being on the verge of exploding. The thinned liner-free pure aluminium cylinder quickly takes away the heat in the cylinder and improves the heat dissipation, which is an important guarantee for extending the life of the engine. Fingertip-level control, linear braking feel, front 300mm and rear 230mm disc brakes provide stronger braking force and more confident riding experience. The lighter clutch handle and comfortable gear shifting make every operation smoother. Dual-channel ABS can continuously show excellent performance in any riding conditions, allowing you to easily cope with every moment. The wide rims and internal hollow design, the close combination of lightweight and high strength, with new road tires to boot. The 9Ah large-capacity battery provides strong endurance for driving and makes starting in winter smoother. Whether before departure or during driving, tire pressure monitoring effectively avoids tire blowouts, increases driving safety, and escorts every trip. The USB interface type consists of dual connectors of Type A and Type C. The shell is made of high-temperature flame-retardant material, with a built-in high-precision hardware current-limiting chip. The single-port output power can reach 18 W, making charging faster and more convenient. The bottom-mounted stainless steel muffler uses automotive-grade stainless steel exhaust throughout the entire section. It is resistant to high and low temperatures and corrosion. It is safer and more environmentally friendly. The 2.5 generation keyless control system adopts advanced encryption technology, has IP67 waterproof performance and good anti-theft performance. The smart key fob that you carry with you is small in size and large in capacity. With the key in hand, you can ride away easily. The buttons for the electric functions are distributed on the left and right handlebars, with amazing design details, which can be triggered at any time. The fully high-definition high-brightness TFT full-color LCD screen instrument has two personalized theme interfaces that can be switched at will. It can realize automatic backlight adjustment, remote upgrade, maintenance reminder, and other functions. During driving, real-time monitoring of driving data, vehicle faults, tire temperature and air pressure is carried out to assist the rider. Automotive-grade LED light source, natural and soft color temperature, retro round lights illuminate the modern world, penetrate the darkness, and awaken every departure between day and night. New tire design make every grain of sand thrown out by the tire become a friction between the body and the wind, allowing you to ride anywhere easily, no matter the mountains or rivers. The extended rear tail provides a more spacious riding space. Whether riding alone or with two people, it can bring a better comfortable experience on the motorcycle travel. The 700mm seat height creates your own exclusive riding mode, which is comfortable and gives you a full sense of security on the road to explore the distance. The integrated large-area water-cooled radiator has higher heat dissipation efficiency. The new second-generation handlebar switch and the auxiliary handlebar switch have a cool backlight display. Personality. So as Zontes kidden arm of the company have upgraded the cruiser model, I look forward to the new other 125-150 cubic centimeters models to be upgraded shortly. Stay safe until next time. Mad Mick.